Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. ETH is moving. People might ask why, and I've got a few answers for you here. So first of all, nothing major happens. We're still in the range, but ETH is obviously supposed to start its third wave at some point. Maybe it's already unfolding. Highlighted to you that we can watch for this yellow scenario as long as we're holding above support, which is $2,175 as mentioned in the last video. A break below that would confirm the white count. And the idea was that the support area, and especially the $2,175 level, sort of distinguishes between the white and the yellow count. So basically, very simply, above support, we can watch for higher prices towards the white target box there. And I mentioned sort of target could be between round about $2,405 and $2,448 next. We might be getting there. And below 2175, it would have confirmed the white count. But seems like maybe tomorrow I will take the white count off the chart. It's late now, and it really can only be taken off the chart if we break above the swing high at 2432, which might happen now. Now that's the first answer. We've been holding support, and the structure in a leading diagonal to the upside allowed for a rally. Okay, so we discussed that short-term bullish scenario in the last video. We had a deep pullback, supported hold. And probably even in this scenario, in which we're currently dealing with this C wave. By the way, there is one more way to measure a target. We can take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and then we're watching for the 100% extension level. That's one key level to watch, 2,429. Okay, and can always go higher, right? But that's sort of the idea. With that break higher, if the $2,405 level is reached, which it seems like it's going to be reached, then we have fulfilled an ideal target for a third wave. What is support? Maybe we should talk about that. New support. If this is wave 3, then the new support level for wave 4, and I will have to confirm that tomorrow. We'll see where they land and everything, but support for wave 4 that would need to hold to give us a wave 5 is now at 2,253. Now, that's, I think, sort of clear. Obviously, I talked about resistances in the previous videos. We talked about that a third wave should take Ether to $3,000 and beyond. And here the target range was also defined. But yeah, to really confirm the yellow count, we need to see a break above the X wave high at 2,445, and it seems to go that way. Okay, so that's looking good, but bear in mind, this is not a fully trustworthy scenario and structure, similar to Bitcoin, which is in a bit of a messy structure, but this is going now. Okay, so let's talk about the second reason, which you will know about if you watched my previous ETH BTC video from a couple of weeks ago, because we talked about the idea that on this move to the downside, this target area ideally is reached, and we talked about, okay, one more low. That one more low was made actually and reached a low today, okay, or when was that? The low was reached, yeah, today, and this again is the power of the Fibonacci levels. The target started here at 0.0478. So that's where the target area started for this fifth wave of a C wave of the B wave. Now, of course, there is a reaction to it. Okay, so while it's too early to say that a low is in, it could be in now. And we have 5 waves down in wave C, and we've seen a reaction. So it's, you know, expected that ETH starts to outperform BTC from this region. Now it's only a first green candle. We had that here. We had it a few times. Difference is now we are in a target area. But I need to see a break minimally above 0.0563 BTC to have a first real indication that a low is in. At the moment, all I have is ETH BTC hitting target, the first target level, but perfectly. And the green reversal candle. That's everything. So it's not enough to say we are reversing, but that's the explanation why ETH is performing. Okay, that's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.